with AI in our Real Leads Finder Pro system, you can quickly and easily produce any type of email content. We've hit Create AI and we're in the Email AI. And first off, it gives you 6 different options to start with. Now, you can type anything you want in here, but these are kind of like maybe get your juices flowing. So the first one is create a promotional email, create a follow-up email, a minimalistic email, an editorial one, a multi-column one, or an announcement email. I'm going to say for a monthly newsletter featuring new and improved tools, tips, marketing tips, and resources. We'll leave it at that. And now I'm going to go ahead and hit generate template. Now, when I hit generate template, we're going to set a timer in place. So you'll see it pop up as soon as I hit generate template. Okay, and now we see here it says success. Create a multi-column email for monthly, right? Basically what I asked it to, an email template created successfully. Look, it's got my logo. It's got social media icons here. It's got an image. It's got a header. It's got the body text right here and the explore button. Did you see how quickly that happened? So, and as you can see, you can easily edit any of this text here, right? I can edit it, I can add whatever I want, I can delete. And as far as the buttons here, this is a link, right? So you just tell it, yep, I want it to be a link, and then you paste the link right in here. You can easily change out colors, you can add new colors. Okay, and then there's a lot of customization you can do here. You can change out the image. Just imagine, guys, how quickly you can produce entire email campaigns using AI in our system to help you get started faster, to write it faster, and best of all, to write it better, right? I mean, look at what this says here. This is really great. Stay ahead with our newly enhanced toolkit. I mean, experiment marketing tips and essential resources designed to grow your business effectively. Explore our latest suite of productivity tools that streamline your workflow, boost efficiency. From intuitive analytic dashboards to automated campaign managers, these improvements empower you to make smarter decisions faster. Plus, gain insider marketing tips curated by industry experts. And this is right up there with what I would have taken me a lot longer to come up with something similar, right? That's for sure, I'll tell you that. And of course, you've got the bottom that already includes your email address in here. It'll include the year and the name of your business within your account. And you can, of course, you have the opt-out option already done. You don't have to worry about it. It's already in there. You can change the date here. And then this is a read online button. You can say I wanted to make my logo larger. See, I could just do that by dragging it. If you don't already have GoHighLevel, you can find a link to book a call with me directly. I'm happy to go through it with you, talk about your business. Let's find out if this is the right thing for you. Where you are, what's working, what's not working. Look, guys, I'm an open book. I'm more than willing to share my knowledge and expertise with you. And I know that there's lots of other people selling GoHighLevel out there as well. But I also hear from many people who have gone that route that, they have problems. There's very few people like me who are willing to do the hand holding. And by hand holding, I mean I meet with you every week. And you have live support Monday through Friday. And we work together, we work on building up your marketing campaigns. And while we're doing that, you're learning the system. I'm showing you, click here, do this, do that. And I'm sharing my marketing insights and tips and explaining things and answering your questions along the way. So that is my value add. The fact that I don't just give you this powerful system and walk away. I am including the hand holding with you every week. And you also get tutorials from me every single week in your inbox. Now, if you're new to GoHighLevel and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses, offering step-by-step tutorials that you can follow along to quickly build and set up your GoHighLevel account. Visit realleadsfinder.com for more information.